Hello.
Hello. This is Leslie and Son Managed Water. This is Charlotte at shop number 8. Faith Spin Arcade, Jamaica, where you get your best in your jerk chicken. You see that season on the pork? Once you come here, you don't get that season. Don't tell anybody you have any good jerk pork here. We have the best in chicken. Fish. We have roast breadfruit over there. That goes well with the ackee and saltfish. And we also have the greatest natural juice here. See this? This is a combat juice. This is the best combat juice. If you come here, you want to get pregnant and you're having a problem getting pregnant, ladies, check me out. This is Charlotte. My number is 366-729. Faith Spin Arcade, Jamaica. All right, I ate that.